Bienvenidos a Columbia College, el lugar correcto para capturar nuevas oportunidades y el inicio de un camino que probablemente sea prolongado, pero que te garantiza el suceso. Por ese motivo, no te niegues la oportunidad de mejorar tu futuro, de tener mejores oportunidades de trabajo y por supuesto de hacer la diferencia. Te invito a que te unas a nuestro Open House para que puedas conocer un poquito más de nosotros.
Hello everyone, welcome to Columbia College Silver Spring Extension's first time ever online Open House. My name is Joanna. I'm the campus director of Silver Spring Extension of Columbia College. If you have Google searched Columbia College, you may have come across Columbia College in New York, Chicago, California, or Missouri. But what you're watching right now is the open house for Columbia College in Washington, D.C. metropolitan area. With that in mind, I sincerely hope that you will be able to get some information that will benefit you, whether you decide to improve your English with us or start a new career or education, especially in the season of life when you would want to make the most out of this stay-at-home time. Now we have some guests here for this information session. Can you please introduce yourselves?
Hi, my name is Michelle. I'm from Brazil.
Hi, my name is Leila. I'm from Bolivia and my native language is Spanish.
Hi, this is Jennifer. I'm from Korea. I'm working in Columbia College for 5 years.
Thank you, ladies. Let me start giving you a brief presentation of our school and the programs we offer. Columbia College has been here in Washington, D.C. metropolitan area for the past 20 years. On October 17 last year, we celebrated our 20th anniversary. We have our main campus in Tysons Corner, Virginia, Centerville Extension in Centerville, Virginia, and Silver Spring Extension here in Silver Spring, Maryland. Columbia College offers 2 tracks of programs. One is associate degree programs. Dental lab technology, cosmetology, culinary arts are the major vocational programs, and business administration, computer science, teaching English for early childhood, and technical and business English are the major academic programs. Michelle, you've been studying technical and business English as an international student since April. Would you like to share your experience with us?
Sure, Joanna. Last year, I came from Brazil to travel. Then I learned about the opportunity to study here and stay a little bit more. Of course, the first program that I looked for was the ESL program, but I already had some English and I was looking for something more. I went to the Columbia College and they offered me the Technical and Business English program, which will be the next level of my English training. They also helped me with all the paperwork and documentation that I needed to stay here and study. And now I'm doing it and I'm very happy with it. There I'm learning how to behave, how to communicate better, how to present myself, and all the English tricks that I need to all this business world. I think after finishing this program, my next steps will be continue to study. I can do my bachelor's, I can do master's, any program that I want to, or even search for a job, which is amazing.
Thank you, Michelle, for sharing. We are so thrilled to have you in our school community. You are truly a wonderful asset in the program. And the other track is certificate programs such as massage therapy, dental lab technology, cosmetology, culinary arts, and vocational English as a second language. What we offer in Silver Spring Extension is vocational English as a second language, massage therapy, and dental lab technology. Our English as a Second Language program is a 60-week-long program with 6 proficiency levels. It's an intensive program with 20 hours a week instruction. But with the current situation due to COVID-19, we are delivering virtual classes using Zoom. Here is a short video clip to show you how you can study English online.
Inventor of the automobile, but he perfected it for the middle class.
Leila, now you are one of our wonderful staff members of Columbia College, but you used to be our ESL student, right? Would you like to share your experience with us?
I would love to share with you that 2 years ago, I was a girl who had just arrived to the United States from Bolivia, with many plans and projects, without knowing what the future would be like due to limited English. But I enrolled in Columbia College, I studied English, I got a job at the same time. It wasn't easy, honestly, but neither was it impossible. I'm currently working here as an admission representative and also as an advisor for Spanish-speaking students. The other thing that I want to share with you is the financial aid option I was offered. Before I enrolled in Columbia College, I had planned to take classes at one of the area's language institutes. However, here I got help to apply for financial aid and presidential scholarship. I ended up with paying nothing for 60 weeks period until I got my ESL certificate last fall. Being part of the Columbia College family has been a great experience. It means remembering day by day my times as a student, remembering the before and after of a person who has grew up, the person who had overcome the language barriers. We are all agree that learning a new language is a challenge. It is a long way. But if you choose the right option, as I did, it will be a goal achieved. So, if you want to learn English, if you want to get better job opportunities, and also if you want to make a difference, welcome to Columbia College.
Thank you, Leila, for sharing your testimony. You are the wonderful example of how our English program can help someone to overcome their language barrier and start a new career. And as Leila mentioned, financial aid is available for all the programs for those who qualify. The other way of studying English is through online. Our online ESL program is very popular. If you can't make it to the classroom because of your work schedule, ride issues, or because you don't have a car, or because you live too far from us, in Hawaii, Indiana, for example, you may choose to join our online ESL program. We actually have many students studying from other states. You can pick and choose the place and time in order to listen to pre-recorded lectures, take quizzes, and to join the live Zoom classes designed for students to practice speaking. You do not have a computer? No problem. We will provide a laptop for you. There's a will, there's a way. If you're eager to improve your English, we can help you. Next, massage therapy program. In order to become a registered massage practitioner, you have to receive massage therapy education at an accredited institution like our school. As a student here, you would receive a total of 600 hours instruction. Because of the current crisis, we are having online classes. Let me show you a short clip of online class by Jinhua.
So our raised have 4 actions: the flexion, extension, and then abduction and adduction. Okay, now I'm gonna share my the screen. So as we can see in this picture, they have the common attachment, common origins, and then carpal ready atlas. It's gonna insert to the second and third metacarpals here, right? So that's why it's gonna do our thumb side abduction.
Today we have Jennifer here with us. Jennifer used to be our ESL student too, and she's helping the students in massage therapy department now. Jennifer, could you tell us why you would choose Columbia College among all the other institutions in the area?
First of all, we provide a high-quality curriculum approved by National Certification Board for therapeutic massage and bodywork. And also, we offer professional instructors who currently work in the field. Our school offers out-of-class activities such as a student clinic, field trips, and guest speaking session. Our staff also helps students to prepare for MBLEX, the federal exam. Also provides job opportunities in various massage fields. Our school also provides great services after graduate, such as continuing education, renewing license, and job transferring. In all, we are always supporting our students to meet student satisfaction.
Great, thank you, Jennifer. And lastly, Dental Lab Technology Program. Our main campus is currently offering Dental Lab program, and I'm excited to announce you that Columbia College was approved by Maryland Higher Education Commission to offer Associate of Applied Science in Dental Lab Technology here in Silver Spring Extension. Graduates of this program are hired by many dental labs in the area and work as a dental lab technicians, making crowns, dentures, and other dental prosthetics. So again, Silver Spring Extension is offering the dental lab program starting June 8th. So what do you think? Would you care to try any of the programs we offer? You can call or email us at the phone number and email address on the screen. And you can also visit the school's YouTube channel for recordings of program-specific information sessions. Deadline for financial aid application for June session is May 29th. We are here to help you. Hope to hear from you soon.
Entonces te espero y te veo en breve.